Another example is server-side paging. Together, skip and limit let us take a bunch of documents, then come back with a higher skip number and take the next bunch. This is common, compelling, and relatively efficient way of paging through many documents. We'll take a page size of 2, so the limit operator will be 2. Initially, we'll just limit with no skip. This brings us the first page. Remember, can't skip 0. Next, we'll skip 2 and limit to 2. 2 is our page size. We get the next 2 items. On each subsequent fetch, we'll just increase the skip by the page size, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. By the way, congratulations. This was our first multi-stage pipeline. Until now, we just used one operator in the command for our demos. Multiple stages are separated by comma. They are applied from left to right, as one might expect. Paging is nice, but has some kinks in real-life usage that you should consider. The context of skip and limit is with regards to an ordered sequence. Skip the first 10. Rely on these first 10 to be the first ones according to your expected order. It's up to you to ensure that the documents enter the skip or limit in your expected order. Sounds simple enough, but in practice, this can sometimes be tricky. Happy path. You get the page at a time over a fixed sequence. Not so happy. While viewing page 1, an item is removed from the sequence. Now you get page 2. The perception is that an item is skipped. See here, item D would not show up in page 2 and has not shown up in page 1. Similar scenario, while viewing page 1, an item is added to the sequence, and now you get page 2. The perception is that an item is repeated. Here, item C was the last one while viewing page 1, and now that you're getting page 2, it's also the first one when you're moving into page 2. The main take-home on this scenario is that when you do server-side paging, you want to find a good solid sorting relative to your query, so that page coherency is preserved. You want to choose a sorting key that is fixed with respect to your query. If you're sorting books by publish date to get the newest books, and then someone adds more books while you're paging, the same book or books may seem to reappear as you page through. A cheap remedy to this might be to add to the first initial query a fixed timestamp of now, something like and last update less than now. Then, if new records are added, their update date is later than now, and they won't shift your sequence.